Hello friends, today is Tuesday. Our craft for today is a bird. Oh, this one is look like a parrot. Do you think? Yes, bluebird. Yeah, maybe bluebird or a parrot. I will show you a picture of a parrot. Look at that. There's a yellow, blue. Look at the beak. Do you like the parrot? So the sign of bird is like this. G letter and put beside on your mouth. Then open close twice. Yes. 1, 2. Again. Okay. The sign of bird is G letters and sign. And then close open, close open. Tick, 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 tick. Bird. Okay, good job, friends. We will start our craft. We need blue and orange construction paper, feathers, and 2 googly eyes in here, a glue, and a scissor. First step is cut the head and body of the bird. I already draw the body and head. Just be careful in cutting. Ask for help for your parents and your grandparents or any adult at home. We're done. Next, cut the two feet and then the beak. Cut. Here's the beak. We need 2 feet. 1 feet and there's 2 feet. So we're done. Third step, we need to glue the 2 googly eyes. And then we need to put the beak. Then below the googly eyes. Next, let's put glue on the body. And we will put the feathers and both sides, okay? 2 purple beside each other, 2 yellow. More glue. Okay. Next, orange, pink, red beside the yellow. Now we will put the 2 feet on the bottom of the feathers. Now we're done. I will show you our craft. Here, this is our bird. Fly, fly, fly bird. Good. Do you like it, friends? Good. Thank you. Bye.